When I started making the Minimalist Wallet by Noodle-Head, I used the wrong snaps on this bottom piece. Like, this is the curved pocket part, and I inadvertently used utility snaps, not thinking that fashion snaps was an option. It made it really hard to unsnap the flap from this, and as I tried to remove these bottom pieces of the snap, it really destroyed some of the wallet pieces, and I had to throw them away. Broke my heart, but I think I found a solution that works for me. I just tried it just a few minutes ago, and I've already removed one bottom snap piece. I had already prepped these with the utility snaps. And I had purchased some pair of snips from the hardware store, but I realized that I had these that were in my little toolkit, and they're slightly curved here, but they're cutters. So what I did was I took the point of these cutters and I stuck one point inside the snap hole here, and I went not from this side, but from this side, and all I did was I'd go around 3 or 4 times, and I didn't have to cut all the way through it. I would just go around and continue to push the blades together. And look, there's no damage to the piece. Bottom part pulls out, and there's no damage. And you can insert the new snaps, the fashion snaps, on the bottom curved part of the Minimalist wallet, the larger one. I haven't tried it with the top part, but I would think you could kind of get under one part of the snap and use these cutters the same way. But I just found this out, and it saved me from throwing these pieces away. Yay! Who knew?